Hey guys, this is Brandon at New Scooters for Less. Are you guys tired of not being able to reach the ground when you ride your Genuine Buddy? Well, I got a cool product for you. The Genuine Low Profile Seat. This lowers your seat 1.5 inches. Now I'm gonna show you how to install it. So basically you just wanna open up your seat. Once you get it open, there are 2 bolts that you will loosen up. They're both 10 millimeters, so make sure you have a 10 millimeter in your back pocket ready to go. All right, so now we're gonna take off the 2 10 millimeter bolts. Once you get them most of the way off, you'll kind of hold the seat so it does not fall. And then also so the nut does not fall down. Then you just slide it right off. You're all good. Now to put on a lowered seat. So you'll grab your lowered seat. You'll make sure this bracket is held upright. Just make sure you find the hole for it. If I can do it, maybe, there we go. All right, and then you just take both of those 10 millimeter bolts or nuts and you just install it right back on. Cool. Once it's tight, you should be all set and ready to go. If you guys are interested in the Genuine Lowered Buddy seat, please visit the link below. Thanks for watching. We love you. Peace.